Namaste. In this lecture we are going to learn what is a JSP file, and we would be writing a JSP code so that we come to understand about the whole working of JSP. See, a JSP is basically an HTML page with some Java code put here and there. So some Java code is sprinkled in an HTML page, that is a JSP file. And for example, this is the code related with HTML. This is the code related with JSP, that is it's a Java code. And then again we are confronted with HTML code. So it's just a Java code which has been inserted into HTML code. It can be put here and there. Now let me open our IDE, that is Eclipse IDE, and let me write a very small simple program that I will be explaining to you. Now here we will be writing the JSP program. This is Project Explorer window. Our Tomcat server is that has been started. Click on File, New, and now we will choose we will be choosing dynamic web project. We will be choosing dynamic web project. Okay, here we are supposed to give the project name. As you know, a project is nothing else but this is something consisting of many program files. So you can give any project name. I'm going to give it as sample project. Keep rest of the things as it is. Click on next, then click on next, and finally click on finish. Okay, so here go to the web content folder. This is very important. We will be writing our JSP code, JSP program file in web content folder under the project. Okay, right click on it, go to new, and you can choose either file or JSP file option. I would prefer to use file option. Okay, now here you are supposed to give a JSP file name. It could be anything, but make it sure that this has the extension JSP. So let me name it as hello Mahajan.jsp. Okay, JSP extension is mandatory. Click on finish. So this is the program area where we will be typing our JSP program. Start HTML, then start with the body tag. Okay, here I am going to type some very small JSP code. So first let me give heading to, suppose this is Mahajan computers. Then now I am going to start with JSP code. I would be writing percentile is equal to. Later on we will be discussing about this percentage is equal to. We start with the angular bracket, then we write percentile is equal to. This is called expression tag. So here I am writing percentile is equal to within angular brackets new java.util.date, and then we will close it. As you know, date is a class in Java. You might have worked on date class in core Java. So this is going to give you the current date. Okay, go to right mouse button, press right mouse button, go to run as, and click on run on server, because JSP code is run on the server side. Okay, so server has been chosen, Tomcat version 9.0 server at localhost, and make it sure that you click on always use this server when running this project. So click on next, then this is our sample project, name of our project. Click on finish. Okay, then if there is need to restart the server, click on OK. Okay, so the program is getting executed. It might take some time. So a kind of web browser will be opened and your program will be executed. So what it will do is it will print the current date and time. Date is a class. So here is the output. Mahajan Computers was heading 2 in HTML, and this is Sunday, April 29, or the time 17:50 is the current time.